Devastated by a super cyclone in 1999, a community in coastal Odisha turned to biodiversity conservation. Women from 8 villages formed a Women's Forest Protection Committee to rebuild their communities. The communities protect mangroves, Causarina plantations and olive ridley nesting sites. The community adopted sustainable practices in fishing, including a seasonal ban. The area under forests has increased by 63% and mangroves have regenerated. Tanda Panchayat has conserved a highly fragile and vulnerable grasslands ecosystem. The area is being conserved by the Pardhi tribe, which till recently was a hunter-gatherer tribe. The Pardhis revived degraded grasslands by planting endemic vegetative species and controlled grazing. They conserved nests and protected fledglings of the lesser florican. Improved sightings of the lesser florican and other species have drawn nature tourists to the area, increasing livelihood opportunities. By conserving biodiversity, the Pardhis of Tanda Panchayat have transformed their own social image. The Paringamala elected local body is located in a hotspot of biological endemism. The Biodiversity Management Committee has extensively documented local biodiversity and traditional knowledge. The committee helped regeneration of numerous rare vegetative species. Traditional healers and collectors of minor forest produce were trained in the sustainable harvesting techniques. The local government encouraged biodiversity on cultivated fields. Tribal communities are getting higher incomes from forest produce even while keystone species are flourishing. The elected local government or Gram Panchayat of Shankarpur village sought and obtained community rights provided under the landmark Forest Rights Act. These rights provide secure access to important forest produce for the community such as bamboo, gum and oilseeds. The village planted trees and protected forest land from overgrazing and fires. Improving the forest cover also helped increase the availability of water for irrigating crops. Thereby, the community had secure livelihoods, while the forest biodiversity was conserved. Van Utthan Sansthan, a federation of 84 forest protection committees, has been able to influence the protection and management of nearly 70,000 hectares of forest land in the state of Rajasthan. Conservation efforts of the forest protection committees have helped augment the lost vegetative cover. Activities of joint forest management have been dovetailed with other government programs such as the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. People have access to fuel wood, fodder, honey and mahua flowers from the forest. The Forest Department is willing to work with the Federation of Forest Protection Committees to take the conservation agenda forward. The Joint Forest Management Committee of Baripada village has been nominated for its successful collaboration with the Forest Department for protection and regeneration of the village forest. The Forest Management Committee has integrated both ecological and social aspects for conservation of a large forest tract around the village. It has adopted unique and innovative ways to sensitize the community on several aspects of biodiversity, such as by organizing an annual traditional food and medicinal plants festival. Villagers collect wild edibles and medicinal plants from the forest to participate in a contest on traditional recipes. The Periyar Tiger Reserve is a tropical rainforest in the Western Ghats, a global biodiversity hotspot. It is known for its path-breaking model on participatory wildlife management. In 2004, the Periyar Foundation was established to bolster conservation. Research has led to the discovery of 2 additional fish species endemic to the Western Ghats. Former poachers and timber smugglers have now become protectors of biodiversity. The foundation reduced the ecological footprint of the pilgrims visiting forest fringes. Tiger population has increased from 23 in 2006 to 40 in 2012. Ghana is amongst the earliest established tiger reserves. Its protection measures have been very effective with a network of 168 strategically located patrolling camps. This has resulted in maintaining the tiger population at a sustainable level. A tiger count between 80 to 100 tigers sustained for the last 30 years. Population of the hard-ground Barasingha revived from 66 in 1970s to about 500 now. Reared in a unique orphanage, tiger cubs have been reintroduced in the wild. Financial rules have been amended to share earnings from tourism with local communities. Ghana's success provides high visibility and optimism for protected areas.